So a lot of people were struggling with the issue. They had the question. So Amil, cool. I started my campaign, everything in the sales and account. But now I want to add multiple accounts. And if you want to know how you can add multiple WhatsApp numbers in SalesGen, I've added the resource over here. You can just go through it. I'll be sharing the link to the SOP. Like I'll be sharing this SOP with you so you can access it from there. You've added multiple numbers, but now you want to know how exactly can you use different numbers for different campaigns. Like let's say you're targeting, simple example, like I'll take the example of Aditya who brought the issue to my light. He's right now targeting neurosurgeons in Melbourne, and also he's targeting, I think, dermatologists in Dubai. So now he wants to do, from what I understand, use one number for targeting the neurosurgeons and use the other number for targeting the dermatologists. And he was wondering, how exactly can I assign different numbers to different campaigns? You might also be watching this if you're kind of like wondering, okay, Somil, I'm sending, like right now, for simplicity purposes to illustrate the point, right now I am sending 100 messages a day, and I want to scale that up to 200 messages in the exact same campaign. But for that, obviously, you need like two numbers because 100, so you're going from 100 to 200 and you're doubling the volume, so you need like two numbers. So you've added the second number as well, but now you're wondering how exactly you can distribute the volume of messages between both of them. And you have this question going on in your head, and you're wondering how exactly you can do it. Well, it's a very, like, literally so simple. Like, it's genuinely the simplest thing you can do. The first thing is you need to have connected like multiple WhatsApp numbers. So if you don't have that and you've not assigned the correct user as shown in this, like, just follow the video over here. I've shared everything. Just add multiple different WhatsApp numbers. I'll just show you, like, if we come over to WhatsApp. So you can see multiple WhatsApp numbers are connected and they're also assigned to the right users. So let's say for simplicity purposes, like this one is assigned to his employee called Karma, and this one is assigned to Aditya. Like you can obviously change it as per your preference, and I've shown how you can do it in this exact SOP, like connecting multiple WhatsApp numbers. So just follow that if you don't know how. Now that you've done it, now let's say you want to use this number for sending out messages to people in Melbourne, which is assigned to Karma, and you want to use the second number, which is assigned to Aditya, for sending out messages to people in Dubai. Like, I'm just giving examples. You can do it for anything. You come to automations and you open the automation where you're sending out the WhatsApp messages. You simply come up over here. You click on this, like let's say Melbourne. Now we're sending the people, like messages in Melbourne, to people from Karma's number, the number which is assigned to Karma. So just come over here, click on this assign to user, click on this, and after that in the users tab, like select Karma from the drop down menu. That's literally all you had to do. Just click on save action and click on save. Boom. That's how easy it was. That's literally all you had to do. Now let's say you wanted to use Aditya's number. Let's say he's reaching out to dermatologists in Dubai, and we wanted to use Aditya's number for the same. We just come here, click on assign to user, and ensure Aditya is selected. Yeah, just click on assign users and click on Aditya, click on save action, click on save. That's all you had to do. Just figure out which number is assigned to which person. Like, go over to WhatsApp and see the exact number you want to use for a particular campaign. Let's say I want to use this number for reaching out to people in Melbourne. So I just select, like, assign it to any user. It can be anyone. It does not have to be a particular user. I just select Karma, and in the workflow, in the automation where we're reaching out to people in Melbourne, like neurosurgeons in Melbourne, in this exact workflow, we just simply come and select Karma from the drop down menu. If you wanted to use Aditya's number, the second number which is assigned to Aditya, you just select Aditya from the drop down menu. Now, answering the last question you might have, so I mean, like, let's say I'm sending out 100 messages from this and I want to scale it to 200 and I've added two numbers. How exactly can I do it? You just simply come over here and click on this menu again. Like, let's say we want to use both the numbers which are used by like Aditya and Karma over here. How exactly can we do it? How exactly can we distribute the number of messages which are being going out in this campaign between both of them? Click on this space and just select Aditya. Like, yeah, we just added like two people. So now what will happen is all the messages will be divided between Aditya and Karma. That's so simple and easy it was. So yeah, that's all you had to do. And you can also decide like if the messages will be distributed equally. By default, what will happen is 50-50. So 50% of the messages will go out from Karma's phone and 50% from Aditya's phone. Let's say we had 3 people, then it will be 33, 33, 33. If we have 4 people, 25% from his phone, 25 from his, 25 from his, 25 from his. So if how many users you add over here, if equally selected, then the volume will be distributed equally amongst them. But if you want to send like, let's say 70% of the messages from Karma's phone and 30% from Aditya's phone, you just simply click on this split traffic unevenly and select 70 over here in Karma and 30 over here and Aditya. If you wanted to do like 60-40, 60 and 40, and you just simply click on save action. That's how you can distribute the volume of messages which are being going out. I'll right now leave it to Aditya only. But that's how you do it, like how you can use multiple numbers in the same campaign and distribute the volume. So now what you can do is add more people to the machine. So right now, if we go on this thing over here, he's sending a message every 2 minutes. But now because we have two numbers, we can simply do it like 1 minute. Because now what will happen, a message will still go out. Like you might be thinking, Somil, every 1 minute, one message will go. Yeah, but we're using two numbers. So what will happen, one message will go out from Aditya's phone and then we will wait 1 minute. And after that, the next message will go out from Karma's phone. After that, we wait 1 minute. So the total wait in between the messages is still 2 minutes. So yeah, hope it made sense. If you don't understand this, once again, like let me know. Not very, you don't have to play around much with it. Just, yeah, that's how you do it, like multiple campaigns. Yeah, I hope I answered your question. And if you have any questions, once again, the SailGen community awaits you. It's here for you, man. Like I've created this for you. Just come over to questions and answers, create a post over here, share a Loom video link, go to loom.com, record a quick Loom video like this, add the link, it's absolutely free to do. And yeah, that's how you can use different numbers for different campaigns and distribute the total messages which are being going out. With like basically the total number of messages, how you can distribute the volume between multiple numbers. Take care, have a lovely, beautiful, fantastic day ahead.